This home's got a mix you don't find very often. Almost completely flat, 270-degree views, a ton of community maintained structures. You're gonna want to take a peek at it. With all the big ticket items in great shape on this home, it's ready for you to put your own finishing touches on. This home has a ton to offer with community water, community sewer, a brand new roof, plus 270-degree views. You're gonna be able to enjoy the lake from every angle within the home and also outside the home with the community boat slip. Thank you guys so much for taking time out of your busy day to check out my new listing. If you or any of your friends have any questions on this home, please give us a call directly at 573-302-2355.